నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 5th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, and saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the enlightened people, great people, used to praise Gaya like this. Gaya is like a life to the entire universe. That is why he is known as Visvajiva. And because Gaya has a great amount of love towards Paramatma, Paramatma gave great amount of bhakti. Paramatma infused great amount of bhakti in Gaya about him. So that is how all the people used to praise Gaya. Now, O Parikshin Narendra, Gaya's wife's name is Jayanti. They got Chitraradha, Sugati, Avarodhana, 3 sons. And Chitraradha's wife is Vurja. Their son is Samratu. Samratu's wife is Utkala. Their son is Marichi. Marichi's wife is Bindumati. Their son's name is Bindumantudu. Bindumanta's wife's name is Saragha. Their son is Madhuvu. Madhuvu's wife's name is Sumanasa. Their son's name is Veeravrata. Veeravrata married to Bhoja. They got 2 sons, Manthudu, Pramanthudu. Manthu's wife's name is Satya. Their son's name is Bhavana. Bhavana's wife's name is Dushana. Their son's name is Tvashta. Tvashta's wife's name is Virochana. Their son's name is Viraja. Viraja's wife's name is Vishuchi. This Viraja and Vishuchi, they got 100 sons and 1 daughter. In that 100 sons, Satyajittu got so famous. O Parikshin Narendra, this is all Priyavrata's dynasty. And Ati Alam Kirtya Vishnuhu Suraganam Yadha, as and how Sri Mahavishnu is glowing with all the devatas, so also this Viraja, this king also was glowing in this entire Priyavrata's Vamsam. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra describing Priyavrata's Vamsam and Bharata Vamsam to Parikshin Narendra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.